Okay, on this Yanmar, we're looking at the Kills solenoid. That's the solenoid up there with that soft rubber boot and the coil pack to the right. Go ahead and pull it once, turn it off. Okay, good, release. And it pulls that steel cable around to down here to pull that lever. So do it again. Okay, release. So that lever's turning off the fuel that actually turns off the engine. Different than a car. In a car, if you turn off the electricity, there's no more spark plugs. On a diesel, you can't tap it, you got to hold it and wait for it to die. So, Sue, we're clear. Are you clear?
Clear.
Go ahead and start the engine if you can. Okay, accelerate it a tiny bit to get the vibration out. Did you see the throttle move? Okay, good. Okay, go ahead and kill it. Okay, you did exactly what you do in a car. You tapped it. You got to hold it for it to stop. So that was easy. And then we talked about the adjustment idle screw, which is right down there. Go ahead and put your finger on it. So that's your adjustment idle screw. So you can adjust that back a teeny bit, maybe 2 flats or 3 flats, and then snug up that locking nut. Okay, so that's real sweet and real easy to figure out.